How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best picture settings for Samsung TV. So I have prepared these settings right here, generally best for Samsung TV. Now, basically, in order to do this, you just want to navigate through the settings mode or the main settings of your Samsung TV. And from here, you want to select the picture mode to something like filmmaker mode or movie mode, basically for accurate colors. You want to turn off picture quality, basically it's for motion smoothing, and you want to set your sharpness to 0 or 10. So you could just either select between those numbers. You want to adjust your brightness to your room lighting, basically higher for brighter room and lower for darker rooms. And then you want to set the contrast to 100 for the maximum punch. So you could just apply the following setting, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.